Hey everybody, it is Mia and this is
Ricky.
And so today we're going to do a reality versus expectation versus reality on school. So I hope you guys enjoy it.
First day of school.
Expectation! Reality.
In class.
Expectation.
So today in math, we're going to be doing algebra, geometry, and trigonometry.
Reality.
So today in math, we're going to be doing algebra, geometry, and trigonometry.
Doing homework.
Expectation.
Yeah. Yes. This is easy. Oh my gosh. I love this.
Reality.
What is? She didn't even teach us. You know what? School lunches.
Expectation.
Yes. Oh my God. Yes. I cannot wait.
Reality.
What the heck? And they give me freaking laundry detergent for something to drink. What a healthy meal, man! What a freaking healthy meal! At the school nurses.
Expectation.
Come in. What's wrong with you?
My stomach hurts.
Lie down while I call your mom.
Reality. Come in. What's wrong with you?
My stomach hurts.
You want a Band-Aid?
What?
I said, do you want
Freaking Band-Aid?
Yeah.
My stomach hurts!
Yeah, do you want a Band-Aid?
The last day of school.
Expectation.
I miss you. I miss you. Good thing I miss you, Miss Robinson.
Reality.
I hate you. I definitely hate you.
You guys suck.
Woo! Going in for the year. Woo!
Thank you guys for watching. That was our expectation and reality about school. So if you liked it, give us a big like and make sure to subscribe. So thank you. This was a video by YouTube Guru.
Sorry, YouTube.
Show
Guru!